All right, we are the next day after the big windstorm. I'm going to take the bike and my saw, and we're going to go through the 90-acre trail. Gage and I walked it last night, and there are at least 5 or 6 trees down on this half. Then I need to see if we can cross the first open swamp, if it's still frozen enough. I have no clue what's awaiting us on the backside. The reason I'm going is you guys will not have seen the video yet, but last night, man, we heard some strange stuff. I got a howl recorded, and the fox was barking all along the trail, along the way. But the night before, I also heard screaming, which I mentioned in the next video, the next night video that you guys will see on the trail. There's strange stuff going on back there again. We heard a howl the other day. We did a walk. It sounds like hunting dogs almost, like a howling, I don't know. And there's nobody back there. It's not hunting dogs. It's not hunting season. I don't know what I'm hearing, but we're going to go clear the trail and keep our eyes and ears open. I got the first stump out of the way. So far it's quiet back here. Just sawing, and that's me. Hey! Watch the new bike, mister! On to the next. And here is the next. We got 3 to take care of. Right here is where Gage freaked out last night. So he's over there checking it out, sniffing all around. I don't know what it was. I didn't see anything. Probably something normal. Deer, coyote, something. But he was growling and barking and freaked right out. And there he goes again. I don't know. I'm telling you, I don't see anything. Maybe we've got a new creepy corner. Everything weird happens on the corner, eh, Gage? What is it? Well, this is kind of the sketchy part, because if we break through, we're going to be right up to the handlebars in mud. Which simply means I have to get Brandon or Tom to come and pull me out, but we're gonna, I'm a quarter of the way across right now. We're gonna keep going. Oh shit, there it goes, sinking. We're getting out of here. I'm sinking right here, so phone's gotta go away. You'll know if I make it or not. We made it. It's still mostly frozen. I think I'm just paranoid. I broke through there with the snow machine before, and once you get through that first layer of 6 inches of kind of firm stuff, it's just soft and you just sink right until there's no more sinking. We're on the back side of the trail now. I have no idea how many trees are going to be down on this side. new one. Dangerous. So this one is way too big for me to tackle with that little saw, and it's firmly held up there. Tree goes all the way up to there. Another 40 feet over there. It's hanging up there. So I'm just going to clear out right here so we can get through the trail. I'm not going to touch it. I think it's secure enough for now. We may have to take it down at a later date, but that's a couple man job. Good enough? Lots of clearance. Around every corner there's another one. And another one just up there. Well, Gage made pretty quick work of that one. Your saw skills are improving, buddy. Yeah, you're a good boy. You're so trainable. I know. What could you do if you had thumbs? Just think. Hey? Alright, you getting the next one or am I? Just watching this dog work is making me sweat. Hey guys, just got my mail today and I want to talk about a product that I ordered. So this is an Olight Perun 2 headlamp. This is not a sponsored video by them. They did not send this to me. I bought this. I did work with these guys last year. To be honest, they're kind of disorganized. While I was already working for them, I was still getting emails from other reps saying, hey, do you want to work with Olight? And I'm like, I already am. And so anyway, I canceled my partnership with them. And I really like the products that I got though. This was one that we did on the channel, the Batten 3, which is in a case. It charges 5 times. We've covered that one. Excellent little light. I bought my dad one of those as well. So you guys know I've been looking for a new headlamp. This is what I've ordered. Christmas sale. I got this one and the i3T, which is just a AAA battery job. It only has a couple of modes on here. I think it goes up to, well, they have a 5-year warranty on all their stuff, including this one. I think this one has, damn it, I gotta look at this stuff before I start talking. It's going to be a gift for my mom, so I'm not sure how many lumens it has, but more than enough for an everyday carry, tiny little flashlight just to put in her purse. That's what I bought that for. We're not even going to open that, but anyway, that's how much I like their stuff, guys. So for 89 bucks, I got this and the Perun 2 headlamp, which we are going to be taking with us to Arizona because I want to do night photography. And out here on my travels, you guys know I'm in the bush all the time. And the Batten 3 is just a regular little flashlight, right? So it doesn't have a 90-degree turn on the end. The light comes out the end. So you've either got to be holding it or have it clipped to your hat and then moving your head around. And this one has a 90-degree turn on it. So you can actually clip it on a pocket, magnetic base on all of the Olight products. So you can stick it on a shovel if you were metal detecting or something, So really good stuff. I just want to take it out, show you what's in here, then we're going to charge it up, then we're going to use it at some point on the channel. This video is not entirely about this, but we do want to check it out. I think it has all the same modes that the Batten 3 has, 5 different stages of light, and 2,500 lumens is the maximum. I mean, you could blind a raccoon at a mile with that. I know that for a fact. In case you guys are wondering, 180 lumens for this little guy. So plenty for just an emergency light. I opened the charger box because I remember there being a rumor that this thing came with a lanyard as well. And there it is. So you can actually take this out and put a lanyard on it just to put around your wrist or whatever. So it comes with lots of goodies. Can you hear that wind? So I got home, I did all my morning running around, just opened up our Perun 2 headlamp. Had some lunch and thought, I'm gonna have a nap. I have nothing else to do. Show you guys the snow machine behind me. I'm so glad we got that ready for winter. Look at all the snow. And as I'm looking out the window contemplating having a nap or not, my next job appeared right before my very eyes as a tree blew down in my yard. Yeah, I'll have to take half an hour and buck this up. Unfortunately, I've been nursing that tree back to health for 3 years. I guess it really wasn't working. Still rotten on the inside. That wind is really scary. As I was cleaning up the tree out there, I kept checking around me because it just was blowing so hard. Trees could come down so easy in that. There it is, all in a half hour's work though, cleaned up, ready to be burnt. Okay, so it's time for an update. I have charged the Perun 2 headlamp, and I just wanted to show you guys the different bright modes on here. And I thought maybe we would do it with the night camera because it picks up light better. When you try to show people a flashlight, it's hard to show them sometimes. So let's just go through the modes, and again, it goes out 166 meters on the brightest setting. So I'm just gonna light up one of the rooms here in the house and just show you guys so you get an idea of how bright this thing is. Okay, so we will start with the moon glow mode. That is moon glow. So you can definitely see 10 feet out there. And this flashlight will last 12 days on this setting. Now we're on the low setting. I'm just gonna throw it up on the screen because I don't remember how many hours it'll last. We'll go up to medium. Now you can see the whole room gets lit up, more than the whole room. That is a bright light. This is high. We can run this flashlight on this mode for 4 hours. And what happens is that after the 4 hours, it will actually dim itself when you have like 20% battery left, and then you get another hour. So what you can do is you just drop down to your basic moon glow mode, which lasts up to 12 days. Even on a 30% battery, you would still have 4 days of runtime with this much light. So you should never run out of light with this flashlight. So this is moon glow mode right here, just to show you guys. It's very bright, and as I just said, we can see out there 10, 12 feet. So, you know, over 12 days of runtime in that mode. So crazy.